Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a lovely, easy, quick and simple messy bun. Hope you enjoy. So you're just taking a nice chunky section from the crown and the majority of the sides, just leaving a few face framing pieces down. Just give it a comb through. And then you're just going to section that off and just clip it away at the top. Then take the remaining hair, just leaving a few bits out that you want to at the front. Give it another comb through and just pop it in elastic at the nape of the neck so it's nice and low sitting into the neck. Then just gently pull to soften. Give the hair a nice brush through, give it a twist, pinch and pull. And then we're using U-pins. Keep twisting that twist as you go around. Hold it in place with U-pins. Give it a twist all the way around and then just grip it in with U-pins. Hold it in place as you create your shape. As you can see, having those U-pins there gives you so much room to just pinch and pull and create as much airiness as you like. I've just added a couple of grips there and moved the U-pins along as I've started to create that shape. So just use your eye, step away if you need to, just constantly check that shape and just keep pinching and pulling. This is a really light airy style, and it's slightly off centre of the bun, it's just to the side, so it's really on trend, as well as being super simple for these busy wedding mornings that we have. As you can see, I'm constantly looking around, checking the shape. Just honestly, you just pull it out as much or as little as you want, but I don't want to get that airiness in there. So once you're happy with that, drop the rest of the hair down. This is such a simple style and it's so quick and so effective. So give it a nice brush through. And then you're going to take it over to the left and you're going to twist it to the right and then over the top of that bun that you've created. Hold on to the end of the hair while you just add a couple of U-pins to keep it in place. Keep twisting and then pinch and pull at the hair as you carry on twisting round. Hide the bottom under the bun. And then as you can see, I'm just doing the same again. I'm just pinching and pulling to create all that lovely airy texture. Usually, if you've got a prong comb, it's like using it. It's like having a third hand. It just really helps you to get all that lovely texture in there without causing any fluffiness. If you were using your fingers, it's a little bit more fluffy and frizzy than that. So the prong comb even is really good for using to hold the hair in place while you pull at it. Using lots of U-pins, as you can see, just to hold it in place while I'm pinching and pulling until I've got my shape. Then define any pieces. I'm using Volume Up by Osis Schwarzkopf. That just defines some shape there, as you can see. Make sure it's balanced, so do step back and see where you need any extra pulling out and go in gently and just start to pinch the crown and the sides to get that texture put in there as well. You don't really need that much on the top, to be honest, because all the details in the bun. But you do want some in there so it does match the bun. As you can see, it's nice and soft. It's draped over the ears. As you can see, the bun is slightly off centre. It's really, really on trend for this year and next. How simple is that? All that texture, and it's just so quick and easy. Now you want to make sure that that sits into the neck. So as you can see there, I've got a gap, which I just go underneath and I just pull on another section underneath just to close that gap so you haven't got that gap in the neck. And I'm constantly just looking at the shape, seeing if it needs any more pulling out anywhere. I'm happy with that. It's nice and balanced. I had a nice little hair comb, which is handmade by Kathleen Carey Bridal. And there you go. How quick and easy was that? A really, really effective side messy bun. So quick and simple for those busy wedding mornings. Hope you like it. I'll link everything below, what I've used. Please leave me a comment if there's any styles you'd like to see, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.